Your child comes to you and say that Riya's mom allows us to use phone for 2 hours. Why don't you? Or Aryan's dad bought him that toy. Why can't you? उसके पेरेंट्स तो उसे यहाँ घुमाने ले गए थे, आप तो कहीं लेके भी नहीं जाते. And suddenly something triggers inside. You feel disrespected, you feel frustrated, you feel judged, and sometimes you react immediately with anger. But today, let's understand what is actually happening in that moment. Today we are talking about a situation almost every parent faces, but very few know how to handle it calmly. Hello everyone, Namaste. Welcome to Mindful Parenting with Dimple. First thing we need to understand is that comparison is not rebellion. It is curiosity. Children observe, they compare, they test boundaries. They are trying to understand how the world works. When your child compares you to another parent, it does not mean that they love that parent more. It means that they are exploring differences. Second thing, we must remember that if you react defensively, you shift your focus from teaching values to protecting your ego. Many parents say that then go live with Riya's mom, or if you like them so much, why don't you become their child? अगर वो इतने ही अच्छे हैं तो जाओ उनके साथ ही रहो. See, these statements hurt the child emotionally and create distance. So instead of teaching them why your rule exists, you make them feel rejected. Now let's understand what your child actually wants in that moment. They want freedom, they want explanation, they want to know why your family rule is different from others. So instead of reacting, respond calmly. You can say that every family has different rules, and in our family, this is what we follow because it is good for you. You do not need to criticize the other parent. You do not need to justify endlessly. Just be calm and confident. Children feel secure when parents are steady, not defensive. आपको उन्हें बस अपने रूल्स के बारे में बताना है और वो आपने क्यों लगाए हैं या आप वो रूल्स क्यों फॉलो करते हैं, ना कि दूसरों के रूल्स ऐसे क्यों हैं. Let's break this down practically. What should you do when your child compares you? Step number 1. Stay calm. Your tone matters more than your words. Step number 2. Acknowledge their feelings. You can say that I understand you feel it's unfair. Step number 3. State your rule confidently. In our home, this is the rule. Step number 4. Give short reasoning without over-explaining. Children don't need lectures. They need clarity. What should you avoid? Avoid insulting other parents. Avoid saying that they are wrong. Avoid emotional blackmail. Avoid changing your rule just to prove something. Now, I want you to understand something very important. See, you are not raising a child to win comparisons. You are raising a child to build values. If you keep changing your rules based on what others allow, your parenting becomes inconsistent. And inconsistency creates insecurity. Sometimes comparison hides a deeper need. Maybe your child is not asking for more screen time. Maybe they are asking for more connection. Maybe they want to feel included. Maybe they want you to listen. So instead of focusing only on the rule, focus on relationship. You can say that, tell me why you feel this is important to you. Listen without interrupting. When your child feel heard, half the battle is already won. There was a boy named Samay. He was 8 years old. One day, he came home from school and told his mother, my friend Vihan plays video games till 11 p.m. You are so strict, you never allow me. His mother felt hurt. She works the whole day, she plans his routine carefully, and still he called her strict. She almost replied angrily, but she paused. She sat next to him and asked, "Do you know why I don't allow late night games?" She said, "Because your brain needs rest to grow, and I care more about your health than about being a cool mom." Advait didn't argue. After 2 days, he again mentioned Vihan, but this time he said that maybe his mom is okay with it, but I know that you worry about my sleep. See the shift. The rule did not change, but the connection stayed strong. That is powerful parenting. Situation of the session is, your child comes home and says, "Everyone in my class has their own phone. I am the only one without it. You don't understand anything." In that moment, what will you do? What will be your reaction? Comment below and we will discuss it in the next class. See, first of all, stay calm, move close, gently hold your child's hand and say firmly that I won't let you hit. Hitting hurts. After your child settles, guide them to say sorry and teach them what to do instead. You can teach them to take turns. You can say like, "Can I have that toy after you?" And why this works? It stops the behavior immediately while teaching the right social skill. Do not take comparison personally. Your child is not attacking you. They are exploring independence. When you respond calmly, you teach them confidence in decision making. When you react emotionally, you teach them that disagreement is dangerous. So next time your child compares you, smile internally. This is not disrespect. This is development. This is growth. And your calm response will teach them something powerful. Every family has different rules, and our rules comes from love. If this resonated with you, please share it with another parent who may need this reminder. Because parenting is not about being better than others. It is about being better than yesterday. So train your brains, as every child deserves an aware parent. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned and don't forget to click on the subscribe button.